Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be talking about a selling platform called Makari and whether or not it's legit. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to hit that join button as well as our merch button. We've got some amazing pieces on that website. So I am just in this declutter mode. Living in a city like New York, you have very limited space, so I am constantly trying to get rid of items that I just don't need in this space, because if I wasn't constantly getting rid of things, I think I would probably have no room to walk in my apartment. Legitimately no room to walk. So I actually stumbled across Makari, which is another marketplace for those of you who are looking to either buy or sell different items. And I'm always in search of good platforms to basically purge myself of all of these items that I do not need. You all know I'm constantly doing videos on sneakers. I'm constantly styling those sneakers with 3 total looks. And I'm also talking about collectibles. So these are things that do tend to add up, and I don't need to keep everything. So Makari, I have found, is an amazing place for me to basically just unravel and unwind by getting rid of my items on their space. So one of the things that I love the most about Makari is the fact that I actually do not have to pay any sort of fee when it comes to uploading any of the items that I want to sell on their marketplace. So you will find that, unfortunately, some other places where you may have these fees, which is unfortunate because we all want to make the most money, obviously, that we can when we're selling our items, do charge a fee when you upload images to their platform. Makari does not do this. There are some other fees, though, for the seller. You will pay 10% as well as a 2.9% fee and an additional 30 cents. As far as being on the buyer side, because I do like to buy things as well, you actually only need to pay for shipping, which is based off of the item, obviously, that you're buying, but there are no other additional fees that you have to worry about. One of my favorite parts about Makari is that they have this local feature. So I'm always going to events last minute and I need to buy things that are not currently available to purchase unless I pay for resale. So one of the things I love about Mercari Local is that I can actually find somebody local in New York that I want to actually purchase an item from, and I don't have to actually go and meet them in person. So before, I've done this where I've had to meet random strangers, and as a female and somebody who is going out there and meeting somebody they've never met before, it could be kind of dangerous and it's a little stressful. So I love the fact that they use FedEx same day, or they use Uber in order to get those items over to you that day once it's been processed. So I love the fact that I can feel at ease not having to go outside of my apartment to have to go meet a complete stranger. And as far as selling it on that end, I don't have to worry about going to meet the buyer either. So it's just such a nice sense of a relief, and it's just saving me time, because obviously who knows where you have to go and pick up the item or drop off the item. It could be an hour away, it could be 40 minutes away. That's definitely a time saver for me. Another great part about Makari is that you can basically list anything. There are some platforms that do actually limit what you can sell on their platform, but Makari, I could sell some of my Supreme Skittles if I wanted to. I can sell any type of used sneakers, which a lot of my sneakers I've really worn down, or I've worn them a few times and I've just decided that I'm not really into them anymore. So it's just nice to kind of break that relationship or tie that I have with that item that I've already pre-owned. And it's a sense of relief knowing that it's okay if I send something used over to be uploaded or listed onto the Mercari site. Unfortunately, some sites only accept dead stock. So I love the fact that Makari does have their doors open to you if it is a used item, specifically sneakers. Also, you can sell toys on there, you can sell handbags. One of the great parts about handbags is that they actually authenticate them. So I definitely do this thing where I love buying handbags that are new each year, but I also will sell a bag that I'm not currently using to basically take the funds from that to apply it to the new handbag. So I love that they do have that authentication option for handbags. Mercari also has a feature which is called Instant Pay. So if you're a seller like myself, I have actually sold a couple items on their platform, and one of the things that I love so much is that you do have the option to use that. There is an additional cost to using that feature, but I do love having the option to get my cash faster, because hey, sometimes we just need to use our money to go shopping. Like myself, I'm always on the verge of buying a new sneaker. You all know me, I feel like I buy a sneaker every single day, but I love that they actually have that option, and just being able to sell on their platform is so easy. It's just very simplified from start to finish, and as far as getting your money as quick as possible, that is something that has always been my major focus, and I just love that they have that instant pay feature on their platform. We are in the holiday season too, so I know that funds can be a little tight, specifically because we are trying to buy a gift for our loved ones. And for me specifically, I'm just trying to declutter and clear my space out. I'm trying to live this more minimalistic lifestyle. So definitely try out Mercari if you have not already and you are looking for a platform to sell any of your items on, even if they're used. Again, I sell a lot of sneakers that I just kind of fall out of love with. So if you're looking for a platform as far as getting rid of old and used sneakers, they are amazing, and it's just a great customer experience from start to finish. So definitely check out Makari. I will have all of those links in my description box below. Thanks so much everybody for tuning in to another episode of ShadeTV. Again, if you are new here, hit that subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about using Makari, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out our join button and our merch store. That's it for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all on the next one.
Let's hang our stockings and put those presents beneath the tree. 'Cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is here.